Alright everybody, and welcome back to the Goodie Pantry. Today we're going to be making rock cakes. There's a picture of them on the screen. These are really nice, they come out very well, so give them a go. Before we do, don't forget, like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified for all new videos. There's our ingredients for today on the screen, so let's get straight on into the video. So here's our ingredients. So I've got my flour, I've got my butter, I've got baking powder, I've got sugar, sultanas, cherries, and my egg and milk. So what we're going to do is get the flour into the bowl first, and then we're going to add the baking powder. Now, with baking powder, it is quite lumpy, so you definitely want to put it through a sieve. Otherwise, what you'll find is, as you're eating your rock buns or your scones, whatever you use it for, sometimes you get a really bitter taste, and that's because there's a lump of baking powder. Once you've done that, just mix it in with the flour. Okay, so now we're going to go with our butter or margarine, whichever one you want to use. And now with your hands, just mix it all together, rub the fat into the flour. And with this one, you're going to get a very heavy, coarse breadcrumb. And then once your breadcrumbs look like this, and I'll bring them up to the camera, as you can see, they're very lumpy, very coarse. That's what you want for rock cakes. So next we're going to go in with our caster sugar and give that a good mix. So next going in for the sultanas, you can use raisins as well, whichever one you prefer. So give them a little mix, and then we're going to add our cherries. Now, I don't cut my cherries. I do them this way because I think it works better. Just tip your cherries into your mix and give it a little bit of a coating. And then just with your fingers and thumbs, just start breaking them down. And what that does, it gives you different levels of texture because they're all different sizes. You might get some chunky bits, some really small bits, and I just think it works better for the texture of the rock cakes. So once the sauce looks like this and you've got them all broken down, we can go on to our next step. So now we've got our egg and milk. So you're going to add this bit by bit, but you want to reserve some for the top because it's what gives the rock cakes a nice shine. So with the handle of a wooden spoon, you can see, like I do with my scones, I just add it bit by bit. And what you want is you want a stiff dough. Not as stiff as pastry, but a little bit wetter, but somewhere in between a cake batter and a pastry is what you're looking for. Something just like this. It should be pliable, but you should be able to pick it up as well. So once you've got your right consistency just like this, then we can start getting them trayed up. So this is the tray. This is a 60 centimeter tray. That's the width of a standard oven. And now I've got my silicone mat. These work great, especially for things like this, because they just come out just wipe clean, and they're good to go. So I'm doing quite large rock cakes. If you want to do smaller ones, you can, and then you'll get more. But this mixture, it'll give me about 16 large rock cakes. So I'm going to get 12 on this, and then I'll have another tray to the side with the remaining on. So there's my 12 rock cakes on this one. So these are now going to get egg washed, but just be very careful because you don't want to squash them. So just be very gently and I kind of dab them with the egg wash. So once you got that egg washed, these are then going to go into the oven at 200 regular, 180 fan, or 350 Fahrenheit if you're in the United States, or gas Mark 4. And these are going to cook for 15 to 18 minutes. And then this is mine after 16 minutes, and as you can see, they've come out really nice and golden. That's what the egg wash does for it. So once you got this, now ideally get them straight off the tray onto your cooling rack. Because like anything, even though it's on a rack, if you leave it on the tray while it's hot, it will soften on the bottom, and you want to keep them quite firm. So you're just going to leave these now 10-15 minutes so they can cool down so they're more handleable. But there they are as they're cooked. They've come out quite nice. They've cooked very well underneath. A very good texture to them. We tried one after, nice crumb taste to them. And they went down really well with my wife's work. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Quick on the day. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. And let me know in the comments if you made these and how they turned out for you. And don't forget, if you want to see something made, drop a comment, let me know what you'd like, and I'll get round to some requests. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.